Hello and welcome back to another video. If you want to change the impressions of your face by using Hypik photo editor, so in this video I will show you how you can use Hypik photo editor to change impressions of your face in your photos. So let's get started. First of all, open your Hypik photo editing app. I will place the link of this app in my description so you can install from there. So when you will open Hypik photo editor, first click on import and import your image directly here. So I import this photo. Now I will go adjust and crop this image to show you the results of the image clearly, right? Then you need to click on, if the quality of your photo is not good, you can use this enhance tool to improve the quality of your image. So click on enhance and your quality of your image will get better. Now you can see the results here. The quality of image is get better. I will undo it and redo. Now you can see the quality of this image is get better by using this enhance tool, right? Now to change the impressions of your face, go to the option of portrait. You can see over here, click on portrait, move these tools forward and you will see the option of impressions, right? Click on impressions and you can see here a lot of different impressions, like 6 to 7 impressions are available here. Now I want to change the face into shade mode, so I will click on this shade option. The impression of this girl will change into shade mode, right? So now you can see here this face expression is changed into shade, and if you want to use this laugh impression, just click on. There are different laugh impressions are available, like the dimple, smile, sweet smile, smile and laugh, right? I will use this smile impression, so I'll select this option. Now you can see this girl is smiling and it looks like a real image, right? Also we have this in different mood here, so you can also use this option. This is how you can easily change the impressions of your face in Hypik photo editor. Now to save this image, first click on this tick icon and save this image to your gallery by using this arrow down button from the top of screen. Just click on it, right? So this is how you can easily change the impressions of your face in Hypik photo editor. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.